Spicy stir-fried clams. Clams are another favorite menu that comes with many benefits. Cooked clams have a unique aroma, with high nutritional value, a source of iron and important minerals. Let's see the ingredients. 500 grams clams. 10 grams red chili, sliced. 5 grams green chili, sliced. A handful of Thai basil leaves. 5 garlic cloves, roughly chopped. 1 long red chili, ollie chopped. 10 grams fresh green peppercorn. A few pieces of dry chili. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. Instruction. Step 1. Clean the clams and soak in cold water for 1 to 2 hours. The shell will open, then sand will come out from the shell. Step 2. Use a mortar and pestle to pound the red chili, yellow chili and garlic to a rough paste. Step 3. For the stir-fry sauce, mix oyster sauce and soy sauce in a small bowl. Step 4. Heat a pan over medium heat. Pour the clam into a hot pan and stir-fried until cooked. Set aside. Step 5. Heat the vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. Fry dry chili until the color is darkened for 2 to 3 minutes. Take out from a pan and set aside. Add the chili garlic paste and toss for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the sliced chilies and fresh green peppercorn and cooked clams, stir-fried for a minute. Add oyster sauce. Add the basil leaves and toss again. Step 6. Remove from heat. Put a stir-fried clams on a plate and top with fried dry chili, then serve. Fragrant and very appetizing. Clams are also full of protein, essential fatty acids, important polyunsaturated fatty acids such as EPA and DHA to help prevent various degenerative diseases. Let's see the nutritional value of this dish. Green peppercorn. There is high calcium in fresh green peppercorn, which nourishes bones and teeth, and act as antioxidant. Dried chili. There is antioxidant in chili which help anti-aging, build pleasant emotion which cause the body to produce endorphin, substance of happiness. Red and green chili pepper. Red and green chili pepper are rich in beta-carotene and vitamin C. It resists and inhibit the growth of abnormal cells such as cancer. Sweet basil. Sweet basil is a herb which has many medical benefits such as expel air, gas in stomach, help digestion and cure gastric ulcer. Garlic. Garlic helps strengthen immunity, prevent cancer, nourish the skin, balance the body system, reduce cholesterol, and blood sugar levels. Oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is highly nutritious, contains vitamin, mineral, helps nourish the nerves and prevent cell degeneration. Vegetable oil. Vegetable oil, soybean oil, is a cooking oil that has many health benefits, especially for healthy skin, lowering cholesterol levels, preventing bone mass loss, and providing omega-3 fatty acids. If you are a food lover who crazy an aromatic herb and spicy food, we recommend you this menu. It is delicious, nutritious, and low calories. See you next EP. Let food be the medicine, let medicine be the food. Goodbye.